Today I'll show you one of Excel's most overlooked functions, GESTEP, a clean and powerful way to turn thresholds into numeric indicators. If you work with economic data, risk flags, or performance metrics, this function will instantly simplify your workflow. GESTEP is Excel's built-in step function. It verifies whether a value meets or exceeds a threshold and returns a clean numeric result. This makes it ideal for creating dummy variables, risk flags, and binary indicators. Here we have inflation rates for 7 countries and a threshold of 2%. Our goal is to create a clean indicator, 1 if inflation is above 2% and 0 if not. In cell D2, I write the GESTEP formula. This verifies whether inflation is greater than or equal to the 2% threshold. Drag the formula down. GESTEP gives us a clean binary indicator. Values below the threshold return 0. Values above, or exactly equal to the threshold, return 1. You might think, why not use a logical test like B2 greater or equal than C2? The difference is simple. GESTEP gives you numeric output immediately, whereas the second option gives you true/false, which you then need to convert into 0/1. GESTEP is clean, fast, and ideal for analysis. GESTEP is simple, reliable, and incredibly useful for turning thresholds into clean numeric indicators. If you're building models, dashboards, or econometric datasets, this function belongs in your toolkit. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.